Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga Analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm Hlavu The Gupta, and then of course, you got some updates about Mr. Post. Yeah, so of course, on 17th of May, I'm going to account Hlavu The Gupta, as we can see. Or on phone gun, a post, as you can see there, meetings. As you can see the very Rivonia location Rivonia Center, as you can see. It's whether the brother or whatever, we don't know. So it's quite questionable, to be honest. Going much talk Rivonia Dumango for Magayini. Kuna the red room quali. So it's quite questionable. Na Tasha should post such a Rivonia sentence. I think we got shown guys. Hlavu The Gupta Mundanga Kupanzen Shinen. Kalembe already done reference in Kushavin the Movata Fonda Polo, like already shaving a Chevrolet, even iPhone 14 Plus. So Shashamarasanyando Timkumok Atafika meeting work we and Luakole Rivonia. You won't narrow. You could from Sango now, narrow sentence. I think, guys, when I'm just curious to bonus, Michelle Maga Rivonia and Sembingo. We said that but now we convincing maybe it might exist. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's an open-ended issue. Comment your perspectives. Yeah, and then we came in Rivonia in Ganaka Makayan Mr. Post. So previously, I'm showing an African poster a picture. You come stop and says Mr. Post, she upgrade win, she paint when she got heavy. I'm gonna say one and the link top comment. However, we have an update. Mundanga painter last say ikumekile. Very ikumekile. Yenanga fazara while busy doing it, as you can see. Don't forget, Frala Shonako. Let's like as you can see, I'll show you young painter are busy. She nen kwalano. So yananga ndamte rosa seka she nen. So go I sasekin shnen profile na lay very ikumekile. Unfortunately, I can't see much. There's no location. Like I can't see where it's from. So I think maybe you should upgrade that. They got to show no queen and stuff like that. Maybe about I will find something. What can I see? Okay, it's from Guyana. It is Shakomba is from Guyana. And then number fontaine, Tetukwala, no Instagram, Yanakwala, and Mashwana, all the details are there. So it's very, very good. Yeah, Shapenda, she said, can check out his profile. Show the combo in the Rosa Sekashi, Nen, the painting to Tarangofula. Yeshua Kula. It's good, it's good. The brand bomba paint to in Kuala. It's good, guys. It's very, very good. This one, yeah, LS, yeah, she been this one. You the finished one. I think I also saw another. Oh, I'm a bloom, as you can see. She's strong, the man. She's strong. One of them bloom, oh, show like a video. Oh, before and after. She's strong. She's strong. Even the room here. Look at the painting. It's very, very good. It's good. It's good. I love his art. I love his art. It's very, very good. I'm trying to go on account. I'm going to check. Because you don't know check on for you. And when I bench in you in Saxon. So in that painting, so you can come and check it. Oh, even here. Guys, she's strong. Very ikumekile. I'm like add rosa seka LS. Yeah, I like the work, like guys, attention to detail. And I any afford that on. My one like it's good, guys, very, very good. Yeah, you can check his account. It's ikumekile. Yeah. There are no such again. It's free promotion. Mana carry short promotions and promoter. Should promoter. Go home. Look, I'm guys. I'm subscribe. I'm subscribe.